Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Dave, your go-to fitness coach for all things strength and wellness. Today, we're diving deep into the world of barbell exercises for shoulders. Whether you're aiming to build those boulder shoulders or just looking to add more definition and strength, this video is for you. So grab your barbells and let's get started. Before we jump into the exercises, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a workout with us. And if you find this video helpful, share it with your friends and family. Now let's get those shoulders working. First things first, a proper warm-up is crucial. Warming up not only prepares your muscles for the workout, but also reduces the risk of injuries. For shoulder workouts, we want to focus on mobility and getting the blood flowing. Let's start with some arm circles and shoulder stretches. Begin with small circles, gradually increasing the size. Do this for about 30 seconds in each direction. This helps to lubricate the shoulder joint and prepare it for the heavier lifts. Next, let's stretch out those shoulders. Reach one arm across your body and use your other arm to pull it closer to your chest. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and then switch sides. This stretch will help loosen up the muscles and improve your range of motion. Now that we're warmed up, let's get into the main exercises. We'll cover 3 powerful barbell exercises that will target different parts of your shoulders: the overhead press, the barbell front raise, and the barbell upright row. Remember to maintain proper form to maximize effectiveness and avoid injury. First up, the overhead press. This is a classic move that primarily targets the front deltoids, but also engages the entire shoulder region. Here's how you do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding the barbell at your chest with your hands just outside shoulder width. Press the barbell overhead until your arms are fully extended, then slowly lower it back down. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Remember to keep your core tight and avoid arching your back. A quick tip: start with a lighter weight to master the form before going heavy. This ensures that you're using the correct muscles and not straining your back or shoulders. Next, we have the barbell front raise. This exercise focuses on the anterior deltoids, giving you that impressive shoulder definition. Let's see how it's done. Hold the barbell with an overhand grip, arms straight down in front of you. Raise the barbell to shoulder height, keeping your arms straight. Then lower it back down. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Ensure you lift with control and avoid swinging the barbell. Keep your movements slow and controlled to really engage the shoulder muscles. If you're new to this exercise, start with a lighter barbell to get the form right. Finally, let's hit the barbell upright row. This move targets the lateral deltoids, giving you that broad-shouldered look. Here's how you do it. With a narrow grip on the barbell, stand with your feet hip-width apart. Pull the barbell up to your chest, elbows leading the way and higher than your wrists. Then slowly lower it back down. Go for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Keep your back straight and avoid jerking the bar. Focus on your elbows. They should be leading the movement. This ensures you're properly engaging the shoulder muscles and not overworking your forearms. Awesome job! Now let's cool down and stretch those shoulders. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself because it helps reduce muscle soreness and improves recovery. Start with a gentle shoulder stretch. Extend one arm across your body and use the opposite arm to gently pull it closer. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and switch sides. Next, let's stretch out those triceps, which also get engaged during shoulder workouts. Raise one arm overhead, bend the elbow, and use the other arm to push the elbow back gently. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and switch sides. Now that we've got our workout done, let's talk about why having well-toned shoulders is so beneficial. It's not just about looking good in a tank top, although that's a great bonus. Well-developed shoulders improve your overall upper body strength and posture, making daily tasks easier and reducing the risk of injuries. Beyond the physical benefits, strong shoulders contribute to a better self-image. When you look good, you feel good, and that confidence radiates into other areas of your life. Whether it's at work, in social situations, or in personal endeavors, the confidence you gain from a fit and healthy body is invaluable. To keep those shoulders in top shape, it's important to take care of them properly. Here are some tips. Proper form. Always use proper form to avoid injuries. If you're unsure, start with lighter weights and focus on technique. Gradual progression. Increase your weights gradually to avoid overloading your muscles. Rest and recovery. Allow adequate time for recovery. Muscles grow and strengthen during rest periods. Balanced workouts. Incorporate a variety of exercises to target all parts of the shoulders. Healthy nutrition. Fuel your body with nutritious foods to support muscle growth and recovery. Always hydrate yourself properly throughout the day with a recommended 8 glasses of water a day or more if you are a super active person during the day. Thanks for sticking with me through this shoulder workout. Remember, consistency is key. Regular workouts, proper form, and a balanced diet will help you achieve those well-toned shoulders in no time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content like this. Please also click the link in the description below to access more help specific to the video topic. Got any questions or want to share your progress? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and am here to help with any advice you need. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of our fitness community. Keep pushing your limits and stay motivated. Until next time, stay strong and stay fit.